Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So today, I have my brother as a special guest on the show, and we're in his vehicle because we're going to be showing you how to organize your car, your truck, or your SUV, and different techniques because you might need to have some organizing tips. You might have some cleaning duties that you need to perform. You might be stuck in an emergency and you want to get yourself out of it safely. And just in general, you might need some storage solutions. So today we'll be showing you everything. And believe me, it is beyond next level. You're going to see just how well organized this vehicle is. And by the way, anything we speak about or we present today, I'll try and leave some links in the description under the video for you guys to check this stuff out. And hopefully you gain some tips and tricks on how to better organize your own vehicle. So you know the drill. Without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, welcome to the show. I'm with my brother Andy. So hi Andy.
Hey guys.
My viewers, by the way, they absolutely love it when we collab together. So hopefully we'll do a lot more videos together in the future.
For sure.
So we're here today because I want to show my viewers all the tips and tricks on how to organize their vehicle. So we're in your own Mazda CX-5, but regardless of what vehicle they have at home, they can use your tips, your tricks, and hopefully bring their own organizing game to the next level.
Absolutely.
So start us off, Andy. What's the first thing that you want to show us?
First things first, obviously, as you know, we're in the world of a pandemic. So some hand sanitizer, always to have quick access when you come inside the car. I think it's very important. If we moved now towards the glove compartment, I have one small little bag. You can use it as a trash bag if you need a quick bag to have to bring with you if you're going some shopping. Pack of wet ones, again, if you want to clean your hands, you got your sticky hands or something like that. I have this little pouch right here that I'll have a few things. I'll have obviously some extra masks, some toothpicks, lighter, some type to go if you dirtied yourself while eating, always good to have. Small pair of scissors. I have my owner's manual, always good to have. My warranty information, some Kleenex. If ever you go out, again, you're with your girlfriend, with a friend, whatsoever, you go out at a park, you want to sit down, you don't feel like sitting down on the grass, this is like a little tarp if you want from Matador.
So this can be useful if you're on the side of the road too, to change your tires and you don't want to dirty yourself on the ground, right?
Absolutely. And finally, if you're in an unfortunate situation, got into a car accident,
You have a joint report
this joint report.
that you can fill out.
And finally, a little Febreze air freshener.
Awesome stuff. So all that in your glove box, well organized. Okay, Andy, what else?
In my center armrest, you got to use everything at your disposal. So first things first, I have this little tray. I put myself a little pad to be able to write notes whatsoever, phone numbers, whatever you need. This pad has its Write in Rain, which is basically waterproof sheets, so you can write in the rain. Fisher Space Pen, super good pens. A little wallet to carry my information about the car.
Driver's license, insurance, that kind of stuff.
A little Swiss Army knife with a little toothpick, some tweezers, a little knife obviously, super useful. I have myself my charging cable
For your mobile device.
I have a even bigger Swiss Army knife if ever that's needed. A little Febreze air freshener. Hard case wallet to store additional cards. I like to have a minimalist wallet, so I don't carry all the cards with me. So this is a way of carrying the rest of them when I go to a store whatsoever and I need that specific card. Rain poncho. Once again, if you're going out, it might rain, you're not sure, carry that with you. A little mouthwash. Once again, if you have a little date, you're thinking to be kissing that special girl, so it's always good to have a fresh mouth, obviously. Tylenol, if your girlfriend gave you a headache, always good to have. For first aid, I got this little case that you can store, once again, some cleaning wipes, some Band-Aids. Always good to have inside your car. Staying on the safety side, I have this Rescue Me tool. Basically what it does is it's going to punch a hole at the bottom of the glass to break the glass so you can exit the vehicle if ever, let's say for example, your electronics are not working and you need, your car's on fire, you're unfortunately ended up in a swamp or a lake or whatsoever. You need to exit the vehicle, obviously, because...
So you can shatter the glass quickly with that.
There you go, that's it.
So guys,
Safety whistle.
already we can tell that my brother is equipped to be able to survive off the grid for the 6 next months. It is insane. And wait, we're not done. Wait till you see the back of the car.
Some Tic Tacs, again, to keep that fresh breath.
To keep the ladies happy.
There you go. Some cleaning wipes, a lint roller.
And all that in the center armrest. That is awesome. All right, let's move on now to the back where you have the trunk. That's another space with another gold mine or treasure trove of things. So Andy, before we head to the back, there's another thing you wanted to show us that's in your door card.
A small umbrella.
Just in case that it starts raining outside. You don't want to be caught off guard, right?
There you go.
Okay, Andy, so we're at the back of your vehicle, and now we're looking at your trunk area. So show us what you have here and how you organized it.
I have a little net here, which is Velcroed on the carpet of the car. And I just got myself a small microfiber towel if I want to wipe something off, buff something off. Living in a condo, I have obviously an interior garage. To be able to bring my groceries, I bought myself this little collapsible bin, which makes things to carry much easier. I have these little plastic dividers.
So they're from Cargo Logic.
Are Velcroed at the bottom and allow you to place them wherever you want, whichever configuration you want around the trunk of the car.
So these are made to prevent things from moving around in your trunk?
While you're driving, exactly. You can't go anywhere without booster cables, guys. Super important for everybody to have inside their car. A couple of light sticks. Basically, you just crack them and they'll give you a glow. Heavy duty garbage bag. Additional air fresheners. Grocery bags. So whenever you're going to do groceries, just to have your grocery bags at your disposal. Kept nice and tidy. A hat for those cold winters.
Here in Canada, we call those toques.
There you go. First aid kit. Windshield washer fluid. A nice blanket rolled up. If ever you're stuck, need some warmth. Also a little pillow that I keep covered in its plastic. A DOP kit. If ever you're stuck, you need obviously to have your essentials with you at all times. So if you sleep to a girl's house, if you sleep to a friend's house, so to have your toothbrush, deodorant, things like that. I keep myself a DOP kit.
So an overnight survival kit.
There you go. We have here some tie wraps that will resist our cold winters. Some de-icer for those locks, just to make sure that you're able to access the car. Maglite flashlight in its pocket. This is a little magnet, extendable magnet, if ever you need to get something that you lost inside a little crack whatsoever.
Like a little screw somewhere or any metal bit and piece that you need to pick up.
There you go. I have these mechanic gloves just to keep my hands nice and clean if ever I need to go inside the motor compartment, engine bay. Roll of duct tape, rope, electrical tape, and some bungee cords, different sizes.
Guys, I wasn't joking when I was telling you that this is like next level survival gear, first aid gear, a bunch of cool accessories, well organized.
Extra batteries.
I'm proud of my brother.
If ever that flashlight batteries are dead, also a crank flashlight. So good to have.
So old school, you can never not have power thanks to that. So it's mechanical cranking action.
Once again, we have our cold winter. So if ever you get stuck, I keep myself a thermal blanket. Always good to have.
So to keep your heat on you, right? Your body heat?
Exactly. It reflects 90% of the body heat towards you. So, oh guys, by the way, sorry, I missed saying it, but this is actually a trunk organizer. So this, you'll have the description down below from my brother. You'll be able to get yourself one if you're interested in buying one. There's different ones, different sizes, whichever you need. Now in these little cubby spaces, once again, I use every space that's available to me. I have these microfiber gloves. So for the interior, the dash, whatsoever, if I just want a quick buff.
Quick wipe or pick up some dust, things like that.
This, my brother was asking me what it was. I find it useful. Basically, it's a pouch, and you have yourself a dry bag for a 20-liter capacity. Basically, to keep things dry. So cell phone, if you're going to the beach, and it might rain whatsoever, for example, you want to make sure that your items stay dry. So your shirt, pants, whatsoever, you can stuff them in the bag, keep them dry at all times. Are my nuts for my mags.
So neatly stored with another bungee cord right there. So that was pretty awesome. Guys, once again, you know what? You can participate to this video. Drop a comment in the comment section if you guys have any other things that you might want to share with the Pan the Organizer community of viewers. To see sometimes you guys have different ways of organizing things, or some items that might be missing in all this kit and survival gear and first aid stuff and organization and storage and practicality. So again, drop a comment, let us know how you do your things and what things you guys love to have in your vehicles as well. I remind you that all the equipment, the tools, the products that we spoke about today, I'll drop the links in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. Once again, I want to thank Andy for being on the show. I know you guys love it when we collab together. And Andy, should they subscribe to my channel?
Absolutely.
If they haven't done so yet, awesome.
Smack that thumbs up.
Absolutely, yeah. Smash the thumbs up button to show me your support. And guys, in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and we'll see you on the next one.